Hello, friends. This is Raki. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you have visited here. I am hoping that at the end of my videos, I am able to help you in my small little ways. My channel is for Thosia, who wants to start a YouTube channel. B, who wants to grow their channel since C, loves YouTube tutorials. One of them, please join in my channel through subscribing, commenting about your ideas, hit like button as well. Happy to be a part of your journey here in YT world.
Now let's begin.
Last time we made our intro and outro video using intro maker. So this time we will incorporate music to our intro and outro using CAPCUT. So we can download this CAPCUT in Google Play Store. So just have to type there CAPCUT, this one. So let us open and click plus sign, and then we will select the intro that we made. So this is the intro that we made that time. Okay, so there is no music yet. We will put music in here. So what we will be doing is to click the audio here, audio, and then sounds. So there are a lot of sounds to choose from. You can, your sounds are recommended and favorites. So let us use these sounds. Say for example, no, not that one. Okay, let us choose. Okay. So what we will be doing, because there is watermark on the last part, we will edit this ending and we will click delete. So let's go back. Okay, so there is no watermark. So as you can see, the music here is quite longer than the intro that we made. So we will click the music, click that, and then click split, and then click this part and delete. Let's go back. Okay, so now that you have already incorporated music using CapCut, then the next thing that you are going to do, if you are already satisfied with your work, then click the arrow up, and then after clicking, I will choose 180p, frame rate is 30, then export. So just have to wait. So again, this will be your intro all throughout your videos in your YouTube channel. You must have one intro only. Okay, so done. Let's proceed now to our outro. So let's create plus new project, and then we will select this one because this is our outro. This one. So there is no music yet. So again, first is we will delete this brand watermark, and then go back to the beginning, and then select audio, then sounds, then select your sounds are recommended. Let's select sounds here that will match our and outro. So if you have already
Dance. Shall we have breakfast together?
you can select here. Let's select this plus sign and then let's try. Then let's cut this part, split, and then delete. Let's go back. So that's it, and click the arrow again and then export. So now that you are done, you can now use those videos, the intro and the outro, in your video. So I will teach you how to edit it using KineMaster. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share as well, and also click the notification bell all, and so that you will be updated in my next video. So let us now check in our gallery if we have already those intro and outro with music. So let's go to albums and click videos. So this is the intro. And the outro. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoy and you have learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell all so that you will be updated in my next video, and share also if you'd like to help to our YouTubers who have just started their journey in YouTube. Thank you so much. Until our next video. Bye.